agricultural advisor. Stationed in Bizana Service Center in Minimadikzela local municipality, and I work in Ward 20. I joined the department last year on the 3rd of May 2023 as a contracted agricultural advisor. What Workers' Day means to me, it's about reflecting back on the progress that we have done as the country since 1994, because in our industry, in agriculture, it was mainly a slavery job. As an agricultural advisor, I actually offer the extension and advisory services to the farmers. And basically in my ward, I mostly have subsistence farmers and smallholder farmers. So what I do, I'm bridging the gap between what they know, their indigenous knowledge, and the technology or the new innovations that are happening right now. And also not forgetting that we are also do promoting the sustainable agricultural production in their agricultural inputs, as well as to telling them about the climate change and what is happening right now in the world. Since while we are even facing the different sorts of food systems and how is it affecting us as a country. Providing farmers with demonstrations on how to farm, basic farming production, and also provide them with information days. Farmers can contact me on 072 2473 185.